You're standing on the beach, and suddenly the ocean disappears. Within minutes, a massive wall of water is racing toward you. What do? Tsunamis are caused by powerful earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or underwater landslides. The water rushes out at first. Animals can sense disasters before humans. If you see dogs barking and running away or birds fleeing inland, take that as a sign to evacuate. If you ever see the ocean suddenly pull back, run! This is a major sign a tsunami is coming. Don't wait for an official warning. Every second counts. A tsunami isn't just one big wave. It's a series of monstrous walls of water traveling at 500 miles per hour, as fast as a jet plane. Unlike normal waves, they don't break at the shore. They consume everything in their path. Many people try to escape using bridges or coastal highways, but this is a deadly mistake. Tsunami waves are powerful enough to destroy bridges, highways, and even entire cities. If you're on a road near the coast, get out of your car and move to higher ground immediately. So, how do you survive a tsunami? Follow these steps. Step 1. Move to high ground immediately. Get at least 100 feet above sea level or 2 miles inland. Step 2. If no high ground, find a strong concrete building and get to the top. Step 3. Never stay in a car. Water will sweep it away like a toy. Step 4. Hold onto something sturdy if trapped by water. Trees, roofs, anything that floats. Step 5. After the first wave, don't go back. Tsunamis come in multiple waves, and the second or third wave is often much bigger and more destructive. In 2004, during the Indian Ocean tsunami, many people who survived the first wave went back to rescue others, only to be caught off guard by an even more powerful second wave. Never return to low ground too soon. Stay at a safe elevation for at least 12 hours or until emergency authorities confirm it's safe. The tsunami may be over, but the danger isn't. The water is full of debris, broken glass, and deadly bacteria. Stay away from floodwaters and wait for rescue teams. Tsunamis have wiped out entire cities, but knowledge and quick action can save lives. The question is, would you be prepared? Now that you know how to survive, would you make the right decision? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-saving tips.